Habari zenu, karibuni katika session nyingine. Hapa ni Elimu Kiganjani. Katika session iliyopita tumesolve swali la 9 kwenye mtihani huu hapa Basic Mathematics, ni moko ya mkoa wa Kilimanjaro kwa maana Moshi Municipal Council, na tushafanikiwa kusoma maswali yote 9 na leo hii tutaenda swali la 10. But before I go to question number 10, I would like to remind you on the format of the exam. If you remember, Form 2 students currently are tested on this Basic Mathematics table of specifications. Question number 10 is going to be always a question on sets or statistics. So basically, our students will be tested in such a way that they are going to manage to do question related to topic of set, my dear students. So in this exam, you're going to see that even question number 10 is a question related to a topic of set. And jump into question number 10. Here is the question, dear students. So the question is, given that number of elements in set A is equal to x, and we were given also number of elements in set B is x plus 4, number of elements in set A intersection B is 3, and number of A union B is 17, where A and B are joint sets. Find the value of x. We can use general formula. If you remember the general formula, number of A union B, this is equal to number of A plus number of B minus number of A intersection B. So that was the formula for finding any unknown if all the details, other details were given. So we were given number of A union B is 17. So 17 equals to number of A, which is x, plus number of B, x plus 4, minus number of A intersection B, which is 3. So 17 will be equal to 2x plus 1. Combining like terms, so 2x will be 17 minus 1. 2x will be 16. And from here we see that x will be 16 over 2. We get x equals to 8. So we are supposed to find the value of x. So the value of x, is 8, dear colleagues. The value of x is 8. And we are going to jump to question number 10A, Roman 2. In a class of 42 students. So again, this is a set equation. In a class of 42 students, 31 students study history and 26 study physics. Using Venn diagram, find the number of students who study physics only. In a class of 42 students, 31 students study history and 26 study physics. Using Venn diagram, find number of students who study physics only. Yeah, I think as you can see the details, we can represent actually these informations using Venn diagram, but we need to come with some assumptions I will share with you later on. So by using Venn diagram, I'll be having two sets here. We'll be having two sets, and the first set will be representing number of students who take history, and the second set will be representing number of students who take physics. So we were told that 31 students study history, but we don't know those who study history and physics together. So 31 students study history. It means those who study history only will be 31 minus XC. And 26 study physics. So those who study physics only will be 26 minus XC. But we were told that 42 students are in the class. So eventually, combining all these details here, 31 minus XC plus XC plus 26 minus XC, this is equal to 42. And the assumption is all students will be taking either physics or history or both of them. So be looking for the value of X. 31 plus 26, you have 57. 57 minus XC equals to 42. And so the value of XC will be 57 minus 42. Eventually you get 15. You get 15. So XC equals to 15. But we are looking now for students who study physics only. So physics only, an apology for my bad handwriting. Physics only will be equal to, I'll be taking now 26 minus XC. So physics only will be 26 minus 15. You'll be getting 11 students. So simply, we conclude that 11 students will be taking physics only. 11 students will be taking physics only. We jump now to question number 10B. So this question is on statistics. If you check the format, the question is going to come from set and the statistics question. So this is exactly the same as the format you're going to see in national exams. So make sure you master the topic of set and the statistics, and I'm sure you're going to manage to get 10 marks in question number 10. Now, the score of mathematics examination done by 50 Form 2 students in a certain school are shown in the table below. Number of students, we can see their total marks. So find the value of X. So because we know total number of students who did the exam, summation of number of students has to be 50. So mathematically, you'll be taking 60 plus X plus 3 plus 2X plus 3 plus X minus 2 plus 9 plus 4 plus 5 plus 2 equals to 50. So you'll be actually adding these numbers. So you have 60 plus 3, it is 9. 9 plus 3, you get 12. 12, you're going to subtract it 2, you get 10. 10 plus 13, you'll be getting an apology. So to do this as quick as possible, you have 60 plus 3, 9, 12, 10, 19, 19 plus 4, 23, 23 plus 7, you get 30. So basically you have 30 plus You have x plus 2x, 3x plus x, 4x. So plus 4x equals to 50. So collecting like terms, will be having 4x equals to 50 minus 30. And so 4x, dear students, will be equal to 20. The value of x will be 20 over 4, which is equal to 5. So we have managed to find the value of x. The next part, calculate the number of students who passed the examination if pass mark was 50%. So if pass mark was 50%, we're going to add only total number of students who have 50 and above. So it means you'll be taking actually only total number of students, which is 50, minus those who failed here, which is 60. So I'll be taking actually a number of those who passed I'll be taking total number of students minus those who failed, which is 60. Eventually, you'll be getting 46. Alternatively, you can add all the frequencies, all total number of students corresponding to class mark from 50 going to 80. Eventually, you're going to get the same results. What was the score obtained by majority of the students? So what was the score obtained by majority of the students? So checking the score with highest frequency, mind you, x is 5. So if x is 5 here, we'll be having here 8. We'll be having here 13. You'll be having here 5 minus 2, you get 3. So you see that 55 was the marks scored by highest number of students. We can say that 55% was scored by majority of students. So basically in the bracket, I'm going to say that 13 students scored 55%. Yeah, so that is solution, dear students, for question number 10. We have managed to solve all the questions from Moko exam from Moshi region. This was the session actually which is a revision to all from 2 students. We are going to continue having these similar sessions. So if it is your first time to be here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you're going to be updated on the coming content. I wish you all the best in mathematics learning endeavor. See you in the next session. Kwaherini.